To turn on microphone access on Android, start by locating the Settings app on your device. This is usually found on the home screen or in the app drawer. Open the Settings app and scroll down to the Apps section. In the Apps section, select the app you want to grant microphone access to, such as a voice recorder or a video conferencing app. Once you have selected the app, click on the Permissions option. In the Permissions section, you will see a list of permissions the app requires to function properly, including microphone access. Toggle the switch next to microphone to grant the app access to your device's microphone. Alternatively, you can also grant microphone access from the app info page. To do this, go to the Settings app and select Apps. Then choose the app you want to grant microphone access to. Click on the app info page and select Permissions. Then toggle the switch next to microphone. If you are using Android 10 or later, you can also grant microphone access from the Quick Settings panel. To do this, swipe down from the top of the screen to access the Quick Settings panel. Then click on the microphone icon. Select the app you want to grant microphone access to from the list of available apps. You will be asked to confirm that you want to grant the app access to your device's microphone. Click on Allow to grant the app access to your microphone. It is essential to only grant microphone access to trusted apps, as granting access to untrusted apps can compromise your device's security and put your personal data at risk. Always review the permissions an app requires before granting access, and only grant access to the permissions the app needs to function properly. By following these steps, you can easily turn on microphone access on your Android device and start using apps that require access to your device's microphone. Remember to always be cautious when granting app permissions and only grant access to trusted apps to ensure your device's security and protect your personal data.